Get ready. Start. A doubt has arisen as to whether government employees drawing pay up to rupees 620 and residing in their own houses or houses owned by their parents, children, wife, or husband are eligible for house rent allowance in terms of instructions contained in the aforesaid letter. Full stop. The matter has been examined and it has been decided that a government employee drawing pay up to rupees 620 per annum and living in his own houses owned by his wife, husband, children, or parents shall also be eligible for house rent allowance under these orders, and for the purpose of claiming of this allowance he will be required to furnish a requisite certificate. Full stop. Next para. A doubt has also arisen as to whether a government employee who shares private accommodation with another government employee is entitled to this allowance in the light or revised instructions. Full stop. It is clarified that instructions on this subject as contained in Punjab Government Circular letter referred above are still operative. Full stop. In other words, in a case where husband, wife, parent, or children, two or more of them being government employees or employees of autonomous public undertakings or semi-government organizations like municipalities, etc., share private accommodation, house rent allowance will be admissible to one of them only. Full stop. It has further been decided that refusal by a government employee to accept share accommodation or lower category shall not constitute refusal for the purpose of grant of house rent allowance. Full stop. In other words, a government employee who refuses to accept accommodation of lower category or shared accommodation when offered to him will be eligible for house rent allowance subject to other usual conditions. Full stop. In view of various changes in the procedure of withdrawal of house rent allowance, revision of forms of certificates to be furnished by government employees for the grant of house rent allowance has become necessary. Full stop. Hence, revised forms are enclosed. Full stop. The certificates prescribed with Punjab Government letter referred to above shall be deemed to have been superseded from the date of issue of these instructions. Full stop. Next para. It has also been decided that the grant of house rent allowance at Roped town shall, however, be subject to the same conditions as have already been laid down for this purpose in the communication referred to above as amended from time to time. Full stop. Cases decided should not be reopened. Stop.